Hi everyone, I am your friend Mr. Yadav and we are going to learn about contemporary technology. What is contemporary technology? Contemporary technologies are simply modern technologies today. Let's start with the introduction of our characters.
This is Mr. Wilson's family. Prem Wilson and Maya Wilson are happily married couple with 2 children.
Raja and Ronnie.
So, the banks are closed. Mr. Wilson is upset as he is unable to pay the tax. Raja, the banks are closed, so am unable to pay the taxes. Today is the deadline. Can you do something for me?
Baba, why do you fear when Raja is here? It's the 21st century. You can use the internet for mostly everything, even for paying your taxes.
Electronic governance transforms and improves the efficiency, effectiveness, transparency, and accountability of informal and transactional exchanges within the government between government agencies at the national, municipal, and local levels, and it empowers citizens through information access and use.
Some of the advantages of e-governance are as follows. Improved delivery of government services. Citizen acceptance of information. Great degree of transparency. Cost savings and revenue growth. Let us now discuss the various sorts of e-governance. Government to citizens G2C. Government to business G2B. Government to government G2G. Government to employees G2E.
Among various types of e-governance, Mr. Wilson's condition falls under G2C, or government to citizens.
The interaction between the government and the citizen is referred to as G2C. Citizens can benefit from the efficient delivery of a wide range of products and services as a result of this. The government makes it easy for citizens to make the government more user-friendly.
Other types of e-governance are G2B, government to business.
G2B enables the business community to interact with the government using a variety of mechanisms. Its goal is to remove red tape in order to save time and money.
G2G, government to government.
G2G allows for easy contact between different governments and entitlements. This type of engagement might occur between several government departments and agencies or between 2 governments.
G2E, government to employee.
G2E refers to interactions between the government and its workers. It makes these exchanges faster and more efficient, increasing employee satisfaction.
One morning while Ronnie is on her laptop, Mrs. Wilson walks in the room.
Ronnie, my dear, my phone is on full store. I cannot click pictures of my pretty and youthful face anymore. Can you help me? Okay, first of all, your face is no more youthful. And of course I can help you. Let me introduce you to cloud computing. You can use cloud computing to store as much photos as you want.
Cloud computing refers to internet-based computing with different services like servers, storage, and applications are delivered when organizations' computer and devices throughout the internet. Cloud service providers like Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure provides us access to cloud computing. The following are cloud computing services. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, is the most prevalent cloud computing service model since it provides the basic infrastructure of virtual servers, networks, operating systems, and data storage devices. PaaS, Platform as a Service, is a cloud computing provider's architecture and software framework that allows enterprises to design and run their own apps. SaaS, Software as a Service, is a cloud computing solution that involves the distribution of software via the internet to multiple enterprises who pay via subscription or pay-per-use. Let us now discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are minimal capital expense, improved disaster recovery, anywhere, anytime collaboration, backup and recovery, decreased support and hardware requirements. Limitations include security and availability, limited capabilities, technological challenges, the need for high-speed internet. While talking about other examples of contemporary technologies, AI or artificial intelligence is one of the advanced and useful for of it. Yes, I am talking about myself, me Mr. Yadav. I am an AI high. The simulation of human intellect in robots that are built to think like people and copy their activities is known as artificial intelligence, AI. AI may be utilized in a variety of applications, including gaming, vision systems, speech recognition, handwriting recognition, and expert systems. Its benefits include fewer errors, faster and more accurate judgments, works in high-risk scenarios, medical applications, unwavering selflessness with no breaks. Okay, enough talk about myself. Let's move on to another topic.
Let's see what Raja is doing. He is enjoying his VR experience. He is probably in his digital world where he is an unbeatable warrior while in real life he is an actual coward. You may be wondering, what is VR? Virtual reality, VR, is an artificial environment generated using computer hardware and software and presented to the user in such a way that it seems and feels genuine. In today's world, VR may be found in a variety of settings. It may be utilized in sports for both players and spectators, education for learning and teaching circumstances, the medical area to include surgery simulations, phobia therapy, and robotic surgery, and it is also frequently employed in the entertainment industry. Some of its advantages are: virtual reality produces a lifelike environment. It allows users to discover new destinations. Users can explore with a simulated world using virtual reality. Virtual reality facilitates and comforts schooling. The Wilson family is very rich, so they have a smart home. Smart home is a home where devices are connected with each other and can be accessed through one central point. This is an example of IoT. The Internet of Things, sometimes known as IoT, is essentially the digitally linked universe of common physical items. These devices include internet connectivity, sensors, and other gear that enable communication and control over the web. How does Internet of Things work? An IoT ecosystem is made up of web-enabled smart devices that employ systems including processors, sensors, and communication gear to gather, send, and act on data from their surroundings. IoT devices exchange sensor data by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge device, where data is either transferred to the cloud for analysis or examined locally. These gadgets occasionally interact with one another and act on the information they receive. The gadgets conduct the majority of the work without human interaction, while individuals may engage with them to set them up, give them instructions, or view the data. Advantages of IoT are: monitor the overall company operations, improve the customer experience, save time and money, boost staff productivity, integrate and adapt business models, make smarter business choices. Today's last topic is e-learning, which is what we all are doing right now. E-learning is a method of acquiring information that makes use of electronic technologies and media. E-learning is classified into two sorts. There are two types of e-learning, synchronous and asynchronous. Synchronous e-learning is the type of learning that we all completed during the lockdown. It simply means that the learners and teachers are online and interacting at the same time. On the other hand, asynchronous learning is a sort of learning that we are now practicing. In this style of learning, both the student and the teacher cannot be online at the same time. In this situation, me, Mr. Yadav, am your teacher and you all are my students. E-learning offers several advantages. I hope you guys enjoyed my company and learned a lot from me, Mr. Yadav. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.